today we are going to be drawing a diamond using alcohol ink markers. So starting with the horizontal line through the center of the page, we're going to go ahead and mark kind of where the center is with a small dot. And then we're going to draw to that dot from 2 points to create a long triangle. This will be the bottom center of our diamond. Then from the end of the line to the dot, we're going to connect for another triangle, and the same thing on the other side. For the top, we're going to make a short distance up, another little dot, and connect down to the same points as the bottom diamond. After we've created that triangle, we're going to make a W shape by drawing a diagonal line that connects down to both these points. From the W, we're going to create 2 more triangles by drawing connecting lines all the way to the right and the left. We will draw 1 more horizontal line that connects across the top of the W. Now, I am using these alcohol ink markers by Adaxi Arts, and I'm going to be using a variety of blues. Now that I've finished coloring my diamond, I'm going to add some texture to it. Using rubbing alcohol, I'm going to be dropping little dots of the rubbing alcohol onto my diamond, and it will make a bubbly looking pattern. After dripping and dabbing the rubbing alcohol on with a Q-tip, I'm going to give it time to dry before drawing on it again. Now that my drawing has dried, I'm going to use a black alcohol ink marker to trace all of my original pencil lines and make any adjustments. The final step is to take a white paint marker and add my highlights. You can see that as the alcohol ink has dried, it's created sort of a sparkly texture because of the rubbing alcohol. Adding these white highlights will give it a little bit more dimension and sparkle. Now that I've added the sparkle and shine, I have finished my diamond using alcohol ink markers. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.